We're here with Mike from Freeze Pipe. Mike, how you doing?
I'm doing well, Max.
Awesome. Well, thanks for hopping on. And first thing I want to ask you is how much money have we made you directly from working with us?
Well over $45,000. I know we're up 45,000 just in the last 30 days alone, which this is, we're doing this on November 28th. So right in the heart of the season, really great numbers to see at the busiest and most competitive time of the year when everyone's inundated with messaging and sales.
Awesome. And what sort of challenges were you guys facing before we started working together?
I would say the biggest one was our flows weren't organized. They were just kind of random emails put together. And I would say working with Max helped organize the structure of not only the offer, but just the congruency of the brand from email to email. Felt it was like this, it was all from the same universe. It made sense. And it was all, it was all backed by data and, uh, I guess formulas, if you will, right? There was reasoning behind the call to actions. There was reasoning behind the offers. So organization from the flows was definitely the biggest needle mover.
Awesome, man. And last question for me, what would you tell somebody who's sort of sat on the fence about working with us?
I would say do it, wholeheartedly do it. We're a small company. We don't work with agencies. And Max, by far surpassed any expectations that we had. For an agency, he was friendly. He's an expert in his field. He's very well organized. He communicates everything that you're scared of and fearful of working with an outside party. Max cares like he's working for you, and like, he's financially invested in the health and wealth of your company.
Amazing, man. Appreciate it as always. And yeah, that's about it.